Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 online. While the base game doesn't offer official multiplayer, a fantastic community-made mod allows you to connect with friends and share your Sims experience. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to get started. You'll need The Sims 4 base game installed on your PC and a reliable internet connection. Make sure your game is fully updated to ensure compatibility with the mod. The first step is to choose and download a reliable multiplayer mod. The Sims 4 multiplayer mod is a widely used and well-regarded option for playing with others. Head over to the mod creator's official website to download the latest version. It's crucial to always download mods from trusted sources to protect your computer and game files. Before downloading, double-check that the mod is compatible with your current Sims 4 game version. Once you have downloaded the mod, it's time for installation. First, extract the downloaded files to a temporary folder on your computer. Next, copy these extracted files directly into your Sims 4 Mods folder. This folder is usually located in your Documents, under Electronic Arts, then The Sims 4, and finally Mods. After placing the files, launch your game and navigate to the game options. Ensure that Enable Custom Content and Mods and Script Mods Allowed are both checked. With the mod installed and enabled, you're almost ready to play. Both you and your friend must have the exact same version of the multiplayer mod installed for it to work correctly. One player will act as the host, and the other will join their game. The host will need to share their IP address with the joining player. Once connected, you can enjoy building, creating, and experiencing the Sims 4 world together with your friends, sharing countless hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.